fridge on his truck, and he's somehow gonna move it from there to there. It's late at night. It's like, it's I don't know what time it is, but.
If we can somehow, right, then I will find down.
Big brain. What?
A big long tape. Look at that.
Yeah. Big brain. Oh God, I can't look. Stop what? No, I'm keeping it on.
Oh yeah.
Yay! I got 911 on speed dial just in case.
Are you gonna help me or are you gonna watch?
I'm gonna stand here. This is good content. I can make pretty good revenue off of this. Oh God. Find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. What?
Lay it on the side and then slide it down.
Okay, so he's doing that now. He was originally going to use a table and then slowly move the fridge. A fridge? But now what are you doing? Now what are you doing? Oh God, I can't look. You can look, but I'm not looking. Wait, I gotta make sure that it's on frame so that you can look. Oh God, I can't look.
Okay.
Oh God! 3, I got 911 ready, just in case something bad happens.
This is very heavy.
Dad, you're gonna make me so much money off of YouTube.
Very heavy.
The fridge is massive. This is the fridge. This is his truck. And alright, I was just making sure you can't see the license plate.
Okay.
Oh God! I look down, and then next second I see a fridge laying down on his back.
Okay.
Oh, you're gonna push it down the ramp. Oh, big brain, big brain, big brain. Trailer, camping trailer, house. Oh God. Oh no. He just opened and oh jeez. 3. What? It's coming down. Oh! Oh, it's working. It's working. I think. Yay!
Something broke.
Something broke.
No, nothing broke.
Yeah. What was that?
Just came out. Yeah.
Ew!
Okay.
Now we gotta lift it up.
Now it's
Wow. I want to see if I can use this table as a. Okay.
Hey, no. He'll fall.
Yeah. All right.
1.
2, 3.
Okay.
See, you need both big brains and big muscles to get out of that.
Now give me a light this side so I can have a cart.
Oh, what? Oh, you're gonna put it in a cart?
I have a cart to carry it down.
You're gonna use a cart.
The light, please.
Coming! Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
Nothing happened, right? No damage.
I mean, I see a lot of wires, and usually that means a bad thing, but I don't know. Maybe that's on purpose.
Give me light this side, sweetie.
Okay.
I know I have a blind spot.
Oh, God. Wait, I'm getting my jacket. No, I'm freezing. Take that. Oh, God. You know what? Frick it. No jacket. It's like 2 degrees outside, but who cares? Oh, God. Nearly tripped over the stick. Coming! Oh, God, it's pitch black. All right.
Light this side. Oh, I had a car right here. Let me see.
Wait, where? Oh, where? In here? This is a garage.
please?
Oh, we're traversing. Oh, oh.
There it is.
Ugh.
I can't find it.
Well, we're
I'm
screwed.
just gonna walk it.
Oh, God.
Yes, just walk.
Well,
I know I had it. Huh? I know I had it.
here's our fridge. Somehow didn't get damaged. Here's the front.
What the heck? I'm gonna find it. Show
There's
me.
duct tape. Oh, God. Oh, God. You're going to get me famous on YouTube. Please continue. I'm being so helpful. I'm being so helpful. Really am being very helpful.
Appreciate that.
Oh, jeez. Flashlight turned off. There you go. And jump. I can
This
be
is known as walking.
Yeah, he's just walking a fridge. Just a regular day.
Walking.
Just walking a
Trees
fridge.
cannot walk.
Just a regular day. You know, fridge walking.
Trees walk.
Have a nice day.
This is known as getting the job done. No excuses.
I'll push it. Okay, I can't do this. You just threw something. Something was thrown. Oh my God. I'm putting music. It's gonna be like
Buddy, you
epic.
gotta take this back.
What is that?
Some water.
Oh, it's water. Oh, I can't carry this. Oh, I'm so pathetic and weak.
Okay.
Okay.
One day you will.
One day I won't be useless. Yeah. It's pitch black outside. Pitch black. Oh, jeez. Okay, I gotta take a break from carrying this water. It's ridiculously heavy. And I'm gonna take a break. Come on, Dad. Oh, wait.
Hold on to this. I need this. Just don't want to damage. It's lovely.
Fridge. Basically, in our house, there's a fridge, and it's trash. It's really bad. So my dad got a new one, and if you didn't know, he carried that. He picked me up from school, and there was just a massive fridge. And I was like, why do you have a fridge? And he was like, oh, because we're getting a new fridge. I was like, oh. But then how the heck are you going to get it out? And then here we are. Come on, Dad. Come on. You're so close, yet so far. You can do this.
I have to move the truck now.
Oh, wow. Multitasking. Run, 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 jump. I can be your backpack while you run. Oh, God. Wheel. Car. Wheel. Car. Wheel. Car. Wheel. Fridge. Okay, well, that was it. I'm almost at 10 minutes, so I need to get the I need to get the revenue. So I'm gonna continue filming. Oh God, epilepsy warning. Oh God. You're doing fine. No, you're doing fine.
Alright, Roger.
We did it.
Let me open the door.
Oh, you just gotta push a little bit. Oh my God! It's like this is the front door. That is the fridge. Right behind my father is the fridge. Oh! Everything's going. He's moving it. Wild fridge moves closer and closer to the wild house. Okay. I have a long stick.
Okay.
Look at how long this is. How long this is. So I'm gonna measure. It takes 1 full stick, 2 full sticks. You're only 3 long sticks away, Dad.
Good job.
I'm helpful. I can measure. I think I did it pretty decent. Maybe. Yeet! Wait, no, it's fine. Still intact. The stick is fine. Oh no, this stick isn't. I broke that one. Stick lives matter, guys. Protect all sticks in your neighborhood. Oh! We're so close. We're on the freaking porch. Oh my god. Yes. Look at how close you are. You're so close to the front door. Are you going to get it in the house?
Yeah, I can do that. How are you gonna do it? Tell me.
You push it.
No, I'm gonna lift one side, put it in, lift the other side, push it in.
You know, you just push the other side, yeah. If he goes gonna go. I have the lock. It's a car. Alright, well, I'll be back once the fridge is in the house. Start the video. I'll make a new video.